Hello, fellow programmers. Welcome to another enlightening tutorial. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic in C programming, the register storage class. This special storage class offers a way to optimize variable access for improved performance. So let's get started and unravel the mysteries behind the register storage class. The register storage class is used to declare local variables that should be stored in CPU registers instead of memory. Registers are blazingly fast, and using them can lead to faster variable access times. However, it's important to note that the register storage class is merely a request to the compiler, and the compiler can choose to honor it or not. Imagine a CPU register as a tiny storage space within the processor itself. When you declare a variable with the register storage class, you're essentially asking the compiler to try its best to store that variable in a register. This can significantly speed up access times compared to retrieving data from memory. Let's explore how to use the register storage class and its limitations. Here's an example demonstrating the usage of the register storage class. In this example, we've declared an int variable named counter with the register storage class within the main function. We're using it as a loop counter to count up to 1,000,000. Now let's break down what happens behind the scenes. The counter variable is declared with the register storage class. During the loop, the compiler makes an effort to store the counter variable in a CPU register, allowing for faster access than if it were stored in memory. The loop iterates 1,000,000 times, incrementing the counter each time. Finally, the value of counter is printed to the screen. Using the register storage class can provide performance benefits, but there are a few things to keep in mind. Not all variables can be stored in registers. The compiler may choose to ignore the register request if it deems the variable too complex or if there are not enough available registers. The register storage class is typically more effective for variables used in tight loops, as it minimizes memory access overhead. Modern compilers are smart and can often optimize variable storage and access better than manual intervention with the register keyword. So it's always a good idea to profile your code and measure actual performance improvements. There you have it, the register storage class in C programming. It's a tool that can potentially give your code a speed boost by leveraging the power of CPU registers. If you enjoyed this video or found it informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more programming insights. Feel free to leave your questions or suggestions in the comments section below. Until next time, happy coding.